Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Art and Craft with Kankana. Myself Kankana and I share with you all art and craft videos. So if you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that you get the notification of my videos as fast as I share them. So as you can see, today we are going to do one stroke painting. And we have taken white and violet in a brush, and together with the help of the flat brush we are giving strokes on a black sheet, as you can see. And as part of our result we got a beautiful flower. So it's time to add some detailings to it. Similarly, we will draw some more flowers and also some rosebuds that will look really cool. To learn how to make rosebuds, you can watch my other videos which you can get to my channel, and I'll also share the link in my description. Then we will add some detailings using a thin brush and white color to make the flower more attractive, and this is the main key for a good painting. So as you all can see, our flowers are ready. So let's make the leaves ready. I have used yellow and green color and used a flat brush to apply the coat of color onto my painting. As you all can see, we have made the leaf. Now similarly we will draw or paint some more leaves to the rosebuds as well, but this is a different stroke because of the little size of the flower. These type of leaves will make it look more beautiful. Do watch the full tutorial to get good results, and do not forget to try it at your homes, and I am sure everyone will get good results. So now we will add some detailings to the leaves as well to make it more attractive. And if you have still not liked this video, do give it a like, because it may even help you to get good results in the future. So do not forget to like the video and also subscribe to my channel. We will add some detailings using a thin round brush which is of the size 00. All the materials list you will get in the description box, and they are also available in your nearby store. For link you can comment me. I'll soon share the links with you. And do watch the rose tutorial which I'll share in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe my channel to get more beautiful updates soon. So here, have a look at the beautiful painting which is ready to be presented. And this is how you can also create this painting and more such beautiful paintings using one stroke, which is a beautiful technique. That's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.